Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Laughter, and I'm just going to show you guys part 3 of how to make your paper butterfly knife. So you take your two handles, make sure that the two openings are facing each other, hold it like that. Take your blade, now place the not sharp end of your blade at the top of the handle where it is skinnier. So it should look like this. Like this. Then take your thumbtack and stick it right on the top of your handle and through your blade. This may be hard because of the glue and paper. Once you've got it, it should look like this. And the blade should be able to move freely in there. Then go to the back, place the eraser on the end of the thumbtack. So you have this. Then open your knife just a little bit. Take your other handle and place it on there. Then place your thumbtack through it. It may be easier just to put it through the handle first, and then place it through the knife. So you have it through the handle. Once that's done, it should look like this. And place your eraser on the back. Now, your paper butterfly knife is done. Like I do to every paper butterfly knife that I make. Down at the bottom, I just draw a little butterfly. Because it is a butterfly knife. And that is how to make your paper butterfly knife. And it works just like a real butterfly knife. You can use it like... Oh wait, I forgot to say something. Take your scissors and cut at the back of the handle just a little bit, so that it will so that it can go farther like that. So it used to only do that, now it can go like this. Like that, all the way around. So it goes like that. Do that with both of them. Close it first. Now, your butterfly knife will be able to open the full way. And with a little bit of practice, you can make them pretty good, where they work exactly like a real butterfly knife. Thank you, rate, comment, and subscribe.